Hi there, little artists. Today, we're going to draw a fun character. This is a bear ready to work. He's wearing a hard hat and a safety vest, and he's holding a tool. Let's bring him to life. Let's start coloring the bear's hard hat in bright yellow. His vest is a cool green color, and his pants are blue. Don't forget his brown fur and the tool he's holding. You can color it silver. Awesome job! Now our bear is all ready for work, looking strong and happy. You did a great job on his outfit and tools. Keep up the great work. Now let's draw a tough rhinoceros. He's a sheriff, ready to catch the bad guys. Look at his cool cowboy hat and badge. He looks super brave, doesn't he? Let's color his hat brown and his sheriff badge golden. His neck scarf should be a bright green and his pants are blue. The rhinoceros is gray, so make sure to color his body that color. Fantastic! Our rhino sheriff is all set, and he looks amazing in his outfit. You've done an excellent job bringing him to life. Well done!